Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, since the start of the school year on September 9, Montego Bay Metro Company Limited, that's Bay Metro, has significantly expanded its school bus service, now benefiting over 6,000 students in Western Jamaica. The service covers morning pickups and return trips for students from 9 local high schools.
Awesome. So the increase in ridership represents a substantial rise from last year's figures, when over 3,400 students used the service. So the question becomes, should we see more of this throughout the island, and how would implementation work in a more urban environment? And also, is it necessary even in Kingston?
I want to jump on this and say resoundingly, it is necessary in Kingston. The traffic in the mornings, there are too many cars on the street. There are too many cars. Everybody, like, you live in one area and you're going to, I don't know, let's say Alpha, and your neighbor's going to Alpha, and 3 kids down the road are going to Alpha, and 5 will not take the car and all will not go to Alpha. Like, it doesn't seem logical to me. I definitely think that there needs to be more rideshare services, and by rideshare I mean like from a business, you know, like anybody who lives here or lives here, this area, Spanish Town, New Kingston, Barbican, blah, 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 you know, that you get to work. There are too many cars on the street, pollution. So I love this. I love, big up this company as well, because, yeah. Yeah,
I think what is to be shall surely be. I think
Where come with the philosophy this man?
No, because things have happened organically. How do you tell a parent that watch 3 videos of students beat students, and students get hole with gun in them bag, in them knapsack, and knife in them knapsack? How do you tell that parent that they must make them child ride share with other children?
But I also, I feel like there's a balance though. I feel like there's a middle ground.
That's what I'm saying. So that's why I said things will have to iron themselves out organically. I do see that there is a serious benefit that could be had. Yeah, you know, I do see that. If there are cameras on board, at least that would add to the safety. If you search your bags before you go into, I don't know how the Jamaica Eye thing go, if that's the correct name. Like, I don't know how these things go, how much scope them really have. Yeah. You know, these things are, you know, the rideshare thing, it does help. Yeah. And and
our producer just made a good point too. Like, if I don't buck you up on the bus, I can buck you up in the school, I can buck you up in the bathroom. So if that's our fear, then that won't be the thing. In fact, riding the bus together and having somebody searching the bus, like say when you're going on the bus, you open your bags, you look, you da-da-da, that might actually prevent things happening at school.
Remember too, you know, so Jamaican people both say wasted, you know. Yeah. You know, them, for them people drive with nobody else, them want carry them own kids to school, them want thing that, you know, it's
yeah.
I agree with 6,500 other. I see benefits and drawbacks of leaving it the way it is, or
well, listen, let me tell you something about Jamaica. Let me tell you how we stay as a people. Craig know how we stay. Let me tell you how we stay. There's a new thing, right? It's not really new, but it's now new. It's called pickleball, right? Yeah. And pickleball been around for so long. People are playing pickleball. You see, when we see the right person playing pickleball, all of a sudden, pickleball is the coolest thing
and them mother.
That everybody, their mother, them cousin, the 2 dog and the cat must do. Why? Because we are, I'm not going to say waganis or
fashion.
We are that kind of people that if the right people are doing something, then everybody will follow suit. So I say that to say, we need to change the way we look at the culture. Because I have friends who are like, we call them uptown, they will never take a taxi. If somebody can't pick them up or their car not working something, then they're like, well, I can't go. I am like, get a taxi, call a rideshare, call a Uber, call a whatever. They're like, never. So I get that. You know,
my daughter ain't nothing with taxi.
That's my point.
She just afraid that she does not go in any vehicle that she don't know the person by herself. She does not do it.
See?
And it don't have anything to do with any kind of car. Like me used to take taxi all the time. Like she does not do it.
I hear that. And I get that. Like, I don't have a problem with it. I understand that there are times and situations that bad things happen, but I also feel like there are times and situations, mostly when good things happen, most of the time, if you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So I like this initiative. I like it. I like that they have 9 high schools that they're dropping the kids off to. That's perhaps kids that can't get to school can now get to school. Kids that don't want to be on the bus, the Booga Yaga bus with a fight, and they say you don't know, at least you're on the bus with your peers.
You know what?
I like that.
You know what I'd like to impress? I mean, on the nation in general, is critical thinking. Like, assess each presentation and decide whether or not it suits you and it is in your benefit and in the benefit of your household, your family, and the direction that you want your household and your family to go.
I like that.
And approach everything like that. Approach politics like that. Approach new presentations from the government like that. Approach TV like that. Approach everything like that.
Everything you hear like that.
Yeah, man. Assess it, properly assess
Critical thinking, it's called.
Yeah, man, that is what is missing.
I think that's a good conclusion. That's a good way to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Like, if it works for you, then it works for you.
Correct.
And if it doesn't work for you, it don't work for you and your family. And you know what I mean? And if dirt a dirt, that's my new favorite saying. In every situation, listen, if a dirt a dirt, if it's, you get what I'm saying. Anywho, big up yourself. I like the initiative here. I like it. People if I go to school on good clean bus. I like the thing. I like it. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. I know you're tired of we talking now. Yes, you are. But don't worry, we have a music video. Look at dancing our key, because this music video is from Samaria. Wisuko.